Garuda Linux, an attractive and user-friendly Linux distribution for beginners and gaming enthusiasts. Garuda Linux is one of the newer Linux distributions that has garnered widespread admiration among users, particularly those looking for an easy-to-use operating system with a strong emphasis on aesthetics and performance. Launched in March 2020 by Shrinivas, Vishnu, Kumbhar, and SGS, Garuda is based on Arch Linux, known for its power and flexibility. However, it sets itself apart by focusing on providing a comfortable and accessible user experience, particularly for beginners and gaming enthusiasts. What sets Garuda Linux apart? Ease of use. Unlike Arch Linux, which heavily relies on the command line, Garuda Linux offers graphical user interfaces for most tasks, making it more accessible and user-friendly. The installation process is simplified with the Calamari's graphical installer, making it suitable for users without extensive Linux experience. Focus on gaming. Garuda Linux is an ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts, featuring tools like Garuda Gamer that streamline the installation of popular gaming platforms and emulators. Additionally, Garuda uses the Zen kernel by default, a modified Linux kernel designed to improve desktop responsiveness and reduce latency, making it particularly well-suited for gaming and interactive tasks. Aesthetics and user experience. Known for its focus on aesthetics and polished user experience, Garuda aims to provide an enjoyable user journey right from installation with its attractive themes and customized desktop environments. For instance, the Maca Edition, launched with a Broadwing release in March 2025, integrates the Catpuxin color palette, offering a visually appealing and cohesive theme across the desktop environment. BTRFS file system. Garuda Linux uses the BTRFS file system by default with ZST decompression, along with the Snapper tool for automatic system snapshots, allowing users to revert to a previous state in case of issues following updates. Rolling release model. Garuda Linux follows a rolling release model, meaning users receive the latest updates and software features as soon as they are available, without the need for major version upgrades. Broadwing release and Maca Edition. The Broadwing release of Garuda Linux was launched on March 8, 2025, marking a significant update for the distribution. One of the standout features of this release is the introduction of the Maca Edition, which features a KD Plasma design inspired by the Catpuxin theme. The Maca Edition offers a visually pleasing user experience with a calm pastel color palette, making it an ideal choice for users who prefer a more refined aesthetic compared to vibrant themes like Dr. 469's. Zen kernel. Performance and stability. Garuda Linux uses the Zen kernel by default, a modified version of the standard Linux kernel. The Zen kernel is designed to enhance system responsiveness and reduce latency, making it particularly suitable for desktop use and gaming. However, some users have reported stability issues with the Zen kernel on certain hardware, such as random delays and boot failures. As a result, Garuda offers an alternative boot option using the LTS long-term support kernel for a more stable experience. System requirements. To ensure a smooth experience with Garuda Linux, it is recommended to have 8 GB of RAM and 40 GB of disk space. However, the system can run with a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and 30 GB of disk space, although performance may be suboptimal, especially with a full desktop environment like KD Plasma. User feedback. Garuda Linux has received widespread praise from users, particularly for its ease of use and aesthetic appeal. However, some users have reported boot issues with the Broadwing release, including a black screen at boot. Additionally, some users noted that the Zen kernel may not be stable on all hardware, requiring the use of the LTS kernel as an alternative. Conclusion. Garuda Linux is an excellent choice for users seeking an easy-to-use Linux distribution with a strong focus on aesthetics and performance. particularly for gaming enthusiasts. With the Broadwing release and the Maca edition, Garuda offers a visually appealing and user-friendly experience. However, potential users should be aware of reported boot issues and some stability concerns associated with the Zen kernel. Recommendations for users. If you're drawn to the Catpuxin theme and want a pre-configured Arch Linux system, the Garuda Maca edition is worth exploring. Ensure that your system meets the recommended requirements, 8 GB RAM, for a smoother experience. Be aware that the Zen kernel may not provide significant performance gains for all users, and may cause instability on certain devices. You can use the LTS kernel as an alternative if issues arise. It's recommended to test Garuda Linux in a live environment before installation to ensure compatibility and satisfactory performance. In summary, Garuda Linux offers a distinctive experience that combines the power of Arch Linux with ease of use, a strong emphasis on aesthetics and performance, making it an ideal choice for many users.